back in the music session of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. Once again, we have our music teacher, Sir Danish, with us. Hello, sir. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. What about you?
I'm good.
That's great. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are very happy and safe at your places. Myself, Danish Arif, and I am from the Orchid School. This is the music section. In this session, we are going to learn so many songs and so many rhymes. Okay, so Amadisa, today we are going to sing two songs. The first song name is This is the Day That the Lord Has Made. Okay, the other name is मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है. First we will learn
This is
the day. Okay. This is the day.
This is the day.
This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. That the Lord has made. We will rejoice. We will rejoice and be glad in it. And be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. That's great. Clap for yourself. Okay, so students, अगर आपको इसके lyrics याद होंगे तो आप लोग ये song हमारे साथ sing कर सकते हैं. Okay? Again from the beginning.
Okay.
This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. That the Lord has made. We will rejoice, we will rejoice and be glad in it, and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Okay, Amarsa, do you know how to sing in Urdu? I will teach you.
Okay.
यही है दिन,
यही है दिन
जो खुदा का है,
जो खुदा का है.
हम होंगे शाद,
हम होंगे शाद
और खुशी करेंगे,
और खुशी करेंगे.
यही है दिन जो खुदा का है,
यही है दिन जो खुदा का है.
हम होंगे शाद और खुशी करेंगे. Come on, हम होंगे शाद और खुशी करेंगे. That's great. Clap for yourself. Okay, now it's time to sing with
Rhythm.
Rhythm. I hope, guys, you all are ready.
Yes.
One, two, three, four.
This is the day. This is the day
that the Lord has made.
that the Lord has made.
We
will rejoice. We will rejoice and be glad in it.
and be glad in it.
This is the day that the Lord has made.
We will rejoice and be glad in it. Now it's time to sing with Urdu one. Okay, so remember to do one.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
यही है दिन, यही है दिन जो खुदा का है, जो खुदा का है. हम होंगे शाद, हम होंगे शाद और खुशी करेंगे, और खुशी करेंगे.
यही है दिन जो खुदा का है, हम होंगे शाद और खुशी करेंगे. That's great. Clap for yourself. Okay, so Marissa, now it's time to sing other song. The other song name is
मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे
मेरा
नई
खुदा हर
खुशियाँ
रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है. मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है. Again.
मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है.
शाद मावो मुझको बना देता है. Again. शाद मावो
मुझको बना
देता है. Now it's time to sing with rhythm. So guys, are you ready?
Yes, we all are ready.
That's great. 1, 2, 3, 4.
मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है। मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है। शाद माँ वो मुझको बना देता है।
Louder.
शाद माँ वो मुझको बना देता है। मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे
One, two, three.
जब होती है कोताही कोई या बात गलत मुझसे, मैं करता नहीं हो जाता है जब काम गलत मुझसे। जब होती है कोताही कोई या बात गलत मुझसे, मैं करता नहीं हो जाता है जब काम गलत मुझसे। मेरा खुदा बिगड़े हुए मेरे काम बना देता है।
Again.
मेरा खुदा बिगड़े हुए मेरे काम बना देता।
शाद माँ वो
शाद माँ वो मुझको बना देता है। शाद माँ वो मुझको बना देता है।
Wow, that's great. Clap for yourself. Okay, so Marissa, how was the session today?
The session was absolutely great.
That's great. Okay, students, today we have learned 2 songs. The first song name is,
This is the day.
the second name is.
मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता
That's
है।
great. I hope कि आज के सेशन में आप लोगों ने बहुत enjoy किया होगा और आप लोगों ने songs को सीखा भी होगा.
Yes, we hope you all had fun, and now without wasting our time, let's move on to our next session.
Welcome to Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savira. I hope you are learning a lot of things with me. Isn't it so? Alright, we will learn a lot of new things today as well. But before that, I wanted to ask you something. Did you wash your hands frequently today? Did you brush your teeth? Did you have the breakfast? What did you have in your breakfast? Yes, you had milk and egg? Great, lovely. And did you wear the mask before going out? You have to wear your mask before going out because as you know that the virus is there. You have to wear the mask, you have to stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Now we are going to learn a new sound that is T. 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 Turtle. Turtle. Where does a turtle live? Yes, they live on land and water both. Right. Now, teapot. Who likes to drink tea with mommy and papa? Who likes to drink tea? Oh, you! I love tea. You love tea? You like to drink it? Oh my God, I also like to drink tea twice a day. Yeah, now let's move on. Other one. Tree. Do you have trees in your garden, in your lawn? Yes, you have them? Good. Grow more and more and more and more trees, okay? Now, turnip. And do you know turnip is a vegetable? You like vegetables? No? I love to eat vegetables and turnip is very healthy for you. Okay? Teddy. Teddy bear. Do you have teddy bears at home? You like to play with the teddy bears? Do you have toys at home? Wow, lovely. Show me your toys someday, okay? Now that was all about We are going to discuss about a very important topic today, and that is healthy and unhealthy food. Let's discuss and let's see what things are healthy and you are eating and what things are unhealthy and you are eating them too. Let's see. First of all, we will discuss healthy food. We will see what are the healthy things. Then we will discuss what are the unhealthy food. Okay. So let's see. These are bread and cereals. They are very healthy. Breads and cereals are very healthy for you. Okay, you can have them in the breakfast. Oh my God, these are nuts. Nuts are very healthy for you. But if you are eating them handful, if you are eating too much nuts, they are not at all healthy for you. Okay, so in a limited quantity, you can eat nuts. Okay, fruits. Oh my God, lots of fruits are there. Bananas, apples, oranges, grapes, they are very healthy. You can have them a lot. Okay. Now, what are these? These are dairy products. Dairy products, cheese, eggs, butter, milk, cream. They all are dairy products and they are very healthy for you. Okay, you can have them and they are very important for your health and for your growth. Okay. Now, meat and chicken. Meat and chicken plus fish. They are rich in protein. They are very healthy for you. You can have them in limited quantity. They are healthy for you. Now we will discuss unhealthy food. The food which are not at all healthy for you. Let's discuss them. This is, what is this? You know the name of this product. What is this? Yeah, it's an ice cream. You like ice cream? I also love ice cream. But you know, if we are having lot of ice cream, they will plaque our teeth. We will have sore throat, you know. So we can have the ice cream but in limited quantity, in limited, you know, not too much. Now we will move on the other one, chips. Chips are not at all healthy for you. They are unhealthy. They make you lazy, they make you lethargic. You don't feel good when you are having a lot of chips. Okay, so please avoid them. Pizza. If mummy is making the pizza at home, they are healthy. But if you are having them from the market, from the pizza shop, they are not at all healthy. I don't know what type of cheese they are using in their pizzas. Okay, donuts. Donuts are not at all healthy. They have lots of sugar in it. So please avoid donuts. Don't eat them too much. Oh my God, this is a lollipop. It has lot of sweet in it. It has lot of sugar in it. So please avoid lollipops. They can decay your teeth. They can plaque your teeth. So you have to take care of your health. Now, after healthy and unhealthy food, we will move on months of the year. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's move on. This is July. What is this month name? July, and it's the 7th month of the year. Let's spell it. J-U-L-Y. July, and it's the 7th month of the year. Great, lovely. Let's reinforce from first month of the year. This is January, February, March, April, May, June, July. I hope you have learned a lot of things today and you are going to learn more things tomorrow. For what, you have to wait till tomorrow's episode of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savira. See you tomorrow with your happy faces. Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new segment of the Orchid School Fun and Learn, and this is your KUW session. This is your KUW segment. What is KUW? KUW is stand for Knowledge and Understanding of the World. Now we are going to talk about things which are going around us. Are you all ready for that? Good. So let's start with healthy and unhealthy food. Nowadays the Ramzan is going on. तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम सहरी करते हैं और हम इफ्तारी करते हैं. So we are going to talk about what we are eating in सहरी time and what we are going to eat in iftar time. Now this is your time and you have to tell me कि आप सहरी में क्या खाते हैं. अभी तो आप बहुत छोटे हैं तो आप रोज़ा तो शायद नहीं रखते होंगे, लेकिन आपके मम्मा पापा तो रखते हैं. तो वो सहरी में क्या खाते हैं? हेल्दी खाते हैं या जंक खाते हैं या अनहेल्दी खाते हैं? क्या खाते हैं? जल्दी से कमेंट करके बताएंगे. ओके, राइट नाउ टीचर इज गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाट आर हेल्दी फूड. ओके, एंड देन यू हैव टू टेल मी वेदर यू और योर पेरेंट्स आर गेटिंग दीज थिंग इन सहरी एंड इफ्तारी और नॉट. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट. दिस इज एग ऑमलेट. व्हाट इज दिस? एन एग ऑमलेट, जिसको हम हाफ फ्राई भी कहते हैं. ठीक है, किसको अच्छा लगता है? Look at the yolk is yellow and the egg is white. You like it? I love it because it's very healthy. It gives me protein and I used to eat with bread. What about you? आप कैसे खाते हैं इसको? Then what else I have? I have, what is this? ये क्या है? Fish. Fish is also very healthy. And banana. Banana is a fruit and it's also very healthy. You should also eat whenever you will get time except night time. ठीक है, दिन के टाइम पे आप खा सकते हैं, रात को कोशिश कीजिएगा नहीं खाइएगा. This is sandwich and this is very healthy again because it has cucumber. Cucumber is a vegetable and it has cheese. Cheese give you little bit fat. At this stage you should eat cheese but not every day. But yes, once in a day you can have it. It's very healthy. And this is a slice of cheese. Now this is, I guess some of you like it, some of you don't like it. But what about these? Do you like all these? Okay, one thing which I forgot to tell you, that is milk. दूध कौन पीता है? आपको पता है दूध बहुत हेल्दी होता है हमारी सेहत के लिए, for our bones. And what is the color of milk? It's white and you can add ruah afza or you can add ice cream soda in it to change the color and taste. If you don't like the taste of milk, you can add on many things and you can make shake out of it. See, banana and milk. If you will make a shake, you can have banana shake and this is also very healthy. ठीक है, तो every day आपको मिल्क पीना चाहिए. एंड इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक द टेस्ट ऑफ मिल्क यू कैन ऐड एनी काइंड ऑफ शरबत. कोई भी आप शरबत इस पे मिला के पी सकते हैं. ग्रीन कलर का भी शरबत होता है, रेड कलर का भी होता है, जो आपको पसंद हो वो आप इसमें ऐड ऑन करके पी सकते हैं. ओके, बट ट्राई टू हैव मिल्क एवरी डे. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अनदर साइड ऑफ फूड. नाउ आई हैव दिस कैन, अ कैन ऑफ फ्रीजी ड्रिंक. What is this? Chips, very good. I love to have it. What is this? A cone ice cream. And this is my orange juice. I'm going to have it. This is my yummy fries. And I love when somebody will give me sweets. But you know what? These all are unhealthy. जब आप ये सब खाएंगे या पिएंगे तो क्या होगा, आपकी बोन्स को ये डैमेज करेंगे, ठीक है, आपकी बोन्स को क्या डैमेज करेंगे, ये फ्रीजी ड्रिंक डैमेज करेंगे। जब आप चिप्स खाएंगे तो आपकी टमी फुल हो जाएगा, तो आप कोई चीज़ हेल्दी नहीं खा सकेंगे, ठीक है, और ये भी आपको कोई नरिशमेंट नहीं देगा। सेम गोज़ विथ कोन आइसक्रीम। कोन आइसक्रीम खाने में तो बहुत यमी होती है, लेकिन क्या होता है, इससे हमारा पेट खराब होता है, जर्म्स अंदर जाते हैं क्योंकि स्वीट्स होती है, मीठा मीठा होता है। सेम गोज़ विथ कैंडीज़। ये सारी चीज़ें क्या करती हैं, हमारे टीथ खराब कर देती हैं, कैविटीज़ आ जाती है, हमारी टमी एक होता है क्योंकि अनहेल्दी होता है। ट्राई टू अवॉइड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ठीक है। मम्मा अगर इफ्तारी में फ्राइज़ बना रही हैं या ड्रिंक ले रही हैं तो आप मम्मा को भी कहेंगे नो ड्रिंक्स एट सहरी और इफ्तारी टाइम, ओके। एंड इवन चिप्स टू। ये जितनी चीज़ें आप देख रहे हैं ये सब क्या है, अनहेल्दी है, और ये सारी चीज़ें क्या हैं, हेल्दी हैं। मम्मा कैन टेक ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन सहरी एंड इफ्तारी, इवन पापा ऑल्सो, बट ये सारी चीज़ें आपके मम्मी डैडी इफ्तारी और सहरी के टाइम पे ले सकते हैं, ले तो ये भी सकते हैं, लेकिन ये क्या है, अनहेल्दी हैं। It's not good for your body. Okay, I hope you understand what is healthy and unhealthy. Now there is a quiz for you. Okay, and you have to tell me I am talking about what. ठीक है, जिसके बारे में अभी टीचर पूछेंगी वो चीज़ यहाँ पर है, इनमें से कोई एक वो चीज़ है, आपको बताना है कि वो कौन सी चीज़ है जिसके बारे में टीचर ने आपको बताया। Are you ready? Okay, let's start. It says You can drink me. आप मुझे पी सकते हो। I am good for your bone. मैं आपकी बोन्स के लिए, हड्डियों के लिए बहुत अच्छा हूँ। I am white. और मैं सफ़ेद रंग का हूँ। आपको क्या लगता है क्या है वो? क्या वो एग है? एग को हम पी तो नहीं सकते हैं, वाइट तो वो है। What about banana? Banana is also not white. What about fish? Is this fish white? No. Then think about it. Yes, it's a milk. Milk is white in color. Yes, you can drink it. Yes, and it gives strength to your bones. आपकी हड्डियों को मजबूत करता है. Okay, so how was today's segment? I hope you like it and I hope that you learn a lot from it. But one thing which I didn't tell you in this segment, that was you are supposed to wash your hands before eating anything. Okay, so are you doing that? So good job. So what we have learned? We have learned two things. One, healthy and unhealthy food. हमने आज क्या सीखा? हमने आज हेल्दी फूड के बारे में सीखा और अनहेल्दी फूड के बारे में सीखा, और एक चीज़ और सीखी जो टीचर ने आपको क्लूज दिए थे. वी कॉल इट रिडल्स. व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट? रिडल्स. Today I have given you the answer, but tomorrow I will not give you answer. Okay? So be prepared for tomorrow or for the next class. Inshallah we'll meet you soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.
Hello and welcome back in Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. Once again we are here in our art session and we have our very talented arts teacher Sir Mushtaq with us.
Hello Amersa.
Hello sir, how are you?
I am fine. Hello everyone. I hope you will be fine at your home. And today I am going to teach you again origami paper butterfly, because बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी हमारे पास, तो आज हमने सोचा है कि दोबारा से अपने व्यूवर्स को ये बताते हैं कि पेपर बटरफ्लाई कैसे बनती है.
Okay.
ठीक है. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर मैंने डिस्प्ले करके रखा हुआ है ग्रीन, येलो, पिंक, ब्लू. तो हम इसे साइड में करते हैं पहले.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. देन आई हैव अ स्मॉल वन.
Yes. A baby butterfly.
Yeah, a baby butterfly. For this kind of butterfly, you have to take a A4 paper.
We need a square paper.
Yes. For square paper, I will move a topper position साइड पोजीशन पे हम इसे फोल्ड करेंगे, क्रीज करेंगे, देन आफ्टर क्रीजिंग आई विल कट
The extra part.
by my scale, the extra part. Okay guys, then I have to fold it from corner to corner.
Yes.
A square has 4 corners and 4 sides. So हम इसे corner to corner fold कर देंगे like this.
ठीक है.
Done? After folding, I will fold it side by side like this. One, again. Done?
Yes.
अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसको जो साइड से इसे
अंदर की तरफ
अंदर की तरफ फोल्ड करेंगे और कॉर्नर से कॉर्नर को मिला देंगे लाइक दिस. ओके व्यूअर्स, साइड को हम इधर साइड पे पुश करेंगे और कॉर्नर से कॉर्नर को मिला देंगे, ज्वाइन कर देंगे.
Yes.
सेम पोजीशन हम
दूसरी
साइड पे भी करेंगे लाइक दिस. डन?
Yes.
Then I will fold it from the center. After the folding of this paper, I will cut by my scissor. इससे जो कॉर्नर है, कॉर्नर को हम कट कर देंगे like this.
इससे इसका एक अच्छा राउंड शेप आ
अच्छा राउंड शेप आ जाएगा. अगर आप ना करना चाहें तो कोई इशू नहीं है. फिर हम इसे जिसका सेंटर पार्ट है, एक पार्ट को उठा के हम सेंटर से फोल्ड करेंगे, क्रीज करेंगे प्रॉपरली.
ठीक है.
यह स्टेप हम दूसरी साइड पर करेंगे लाइक दिस. आफ्टर टेकिंग दिस स्टेप आई एम गोइंग टू टर्न दिस पेज लाइक दिस. ठीक है. देन द बैक साइड है, उसे हम फोल्ड करेंगे लाइक दिस बाय माय फिंगर. इसे हम फोल्ड करेंगे ऐसे,
इसको हमने ऊपर लेके आना
ऊपर लेके आना है. ठीक है. तो हम इसे
ठीक है.
फोल्ड करेंगे बाय यूजिंग अ फिंगर और उसके बाद हम इसे इस लाइन को पैरेलल करते हुए, मिलाते हुए हम दोबारा से इसको फोल्ड कर देंगे अंदर की साइड पर
ओके.
लाइक दिस. और फिर हम यूज़ करेंगे
ग्लू.
हॉट ग्लू गन.
ओके.
हमने इसके एज पे हल्का सा ग्लू गन से ग्लू किया इसे. Whenever you use this kind of glue gun, you should be very careful.
हम नॉर्मल ग्लू भी यूज कर सकते हैं.
नॉर्मल ग्लू भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
लेकिन हॉट ग्लू गन इसको ज़्यादा अच्छे से कंट्रोल करेगा.
बिल्कुल. So after using the hot glue gun, the butterfly is
Ready.
ready.
It looks really beautiful.
Yes. Now I have done.
Yes, we hope you all liked today's episode. If you liked it, do try this out and share it with us. Till then, we'll see you in the next episode. Allah Hafiz.
Bye bye.